Welcome back, fifth grade. This is your second ukulele video with me. We will be looking at the 30-day ukulele challenge PDF, and we're going to be going through the material on videos 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 today. Just a quick review on getting a nice clean strumming sound, how to hold the ukulele. Make sure that the neck is going up your left side like a seat belt. And when you strum to get a good clean sound, what you want to do is take the fingernail of your index finger, and I kind of put my thumb against my finger and I just strum down like that. And that's going to give you a nice, clear, clean sound. Okay? The last, where I left you last was playing a C major chord. Now we're going to first review one finger chords, C major to start, and then some others. So we look at our first string. Remember, your first string is the furthest string from you. It is your A string. And to get C, you go down, or upward actually. Let me make something clear. I think I confused this in the last video. When we go up the fretboard, we're moving toward the sound hole. So in order to go up, we're simply making the string shorter. And to go down, the string gets longer. Therefore, the pitch gets lower. So this is down the fretboard. This is up the fretboard. Down the fretboard, up the fretboard. All right, enough of that. Now, back to C. So you're going to take your fourth finger and you're going to press down on the 1, 2, third string to get C. And you're going to strum. And let's just practice strumming to a steady beat for just a second. Strum with me on a C. Isn't it fun to play C? Playing chords is fun, you see. You can create old harmony. That's cheesy. All right, now let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat as we strum C. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Excellent. Now what we're going to do is we're going to review some other one-finger chords, and they are, if you move your finger, or actually you take your third finger and you press down on the second fret of your fourth string or A string, you get C major 7. All right, C major 7 has a nice airy, breezy, relaxing sound. And then your other one finger chord is A minor. And I'm going to use my third finger again, but I'm going to move toward me, going to the fourth string, the G string, which is the string closest to me. And I'm going to be pressing my third finger down on the second fret to get A minor. And we're going to try to work on a good sound. See, I'm learning with you, trying to improve with you. So I want to make sure it's a nice clear sound when you strum. All right, so let's go back to C and strum that maybe 8 to 16 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. C major 7. Let's do that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A minor. Go to the G string. Third finger, second fret. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to move to the material covered in video number 6. It talks about the one finger chords. So I believe we reviewed most of them. There is one though that I haven't taught you. So we know C. All right. We know C major 7. You just move down the fretboard to the second fret. All right. And then we know A minor. All right, but there's 2 that we haven't learned. We have an A minor 7, and that's no strings. So if you just strum your instrument as is, you get what we call an A minor 7th chord. We'll talk more about the construction of chords later, just know that AM7 means A minor 7, okay? And then we also have our last one finger chord is C7. And yeah, I usually use this finger, the index finger. It is, again, the first string, the A string, and it's the first fret. Let me see. Yes, I always use that finger. So you just press that down and you get your C7 chord. So let's strum through these one more time. Let's do C7 like a good 16 times so you get a good feel for it. C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now let's go to C major 7. Go down 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now let's do your regular C chord. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 is enough of C. Now let's go to our A minor 7. That's absolutely nothing. Okay. All right. Now A minor. A minor, you go to your G string. It's the second fret, third finger. Actually, second finger, I guess, if you're talking guitar terms and ukulele terms. Being a pianist, thumb is always one, but not so with the string instrument, so I apologize. So I'm going to use my second finger to play the A minor chord right here. And like I said before, this is the chord that starts riptide. Okay, so that is video 6. Video 7... we talk about 2 finger chords. I wanted to go ahead and introduce you that so you have plenty of material to cover over the next week or so. We have our F major chord and our A major chord. Remember we were doing A minor just a minute ago. I'll show you that one first. So A minor is here. So I'm going to change the quality of that and I'm going to put, you see my second finger is on the G string, second fret. Now I'm going to take my first finger and I'm going to go to the C string and cover, no, I'm not. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to cover anything on the C string. I'm going to skip that string. I'm going to go to the E string and take my first finger and cover the first fret, and then take my second finger and cover the second fret on the G string. So I'm skipping this middle string right here, or I'm skipping the C string. So second fret on the G string, first fret, skip this one, you go to this one, first fret on the E string. And you make sure that you're pressing down, you're not bending the string, and you don't want flat fingers. You want your fingers nice and curved. All right. And so here is your, oh, I see what I did. Told you I was gonna play an A chord, didn't I? Yeah, I sure did. This is not A, this is F. It happens, I get distracted and I okay, that's all right. My mind was telling me one thing, my eyes told me something else. So this is your F chord. I was showing you A minor before. This is A minor. You add that finger, this is F. It kind of sounds cool together, doesn't it? Let's see if we can play an F chord for a while. Strum with me for about 16 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's go back to A minor. Which one do we lift up? The one furthest from you, that is your first finger. Lift that up, A minor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I'm going to teach you A major. All right, so A minor has a kind of a sad, darker quality. A major is made by taking your first finger and going to the first fret of, the C string. And it brightens it up. So let's go between A, see if you can play an A, get your fingers situated so that you have A, and strum A for a bit. And we're gonna go back and forth between A major and A minor, so you can really feel and hear the difference. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's take that first finger away and just hear A minor. It lowers it. 6, 7, 8, 9, want to try to go from F major. You're going to take that first finger and move it further away from you. You're going to take your first finger and move it further away from you to the first fret of the E string, which is string number 2. All right. Remember, the one furthest from you is the A string is string number 1, the E string is string number 2, the C string is string number 3 when I refer to it, and the 4th string is the closest one to you, that is G. So here we are with our first finger covering the first fret of the E string. When you put those together, you get F. And then we're going to go to A major. We're just going to take that first finger and move it closer to you, to the first fret of the C string. So here. Ow. And yeah, it's going to hurt occasionally. Little pain never killed anyone, right? Oh, it's hurting. Okay, let's shake that hand out for a second. Shake that hand out, move those fingers around. So we're so F and A are very similar. They're one string apart, basically. So your A major chord is here. And then you move over to the next string over to your E string to get a F major. So here's F major, here's A major, F major, A major. It would be really good for you to practice that for about 5 minutes, at another time, just to memorize the difference and get a feel for them. We're going to go to video 8 now. And that is your first song switching chords. So yes, 2-chord song. We have F major, all right? Remember, F major is your second finger, second fret, G string, your first finger, first fret, E string, okay? We're gonna be going from F to C7. You take that first finger and cover the first fret of the first string of the A string. That's the furthest from you. So let's practice going back and forth slowly between those two before we put it into the song. So let's play maybe 8 on F and then 8 on C7. Here's our tempo. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you go back to F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we can do 4 apart. So we're going to go 4F, 4C7. 1, 2, 3, 4C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now F. 1, 2, 3, 4C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not going to do it this quickly here, but let's see if we can go 2 each. So 2F, 2C7, back and forth. F, F, C7, C7, F, F, C7, C7, F, F, C7, C7, and on F. Oh my. Yeah, sometimes we get tired and it's, you struggle for that sound you're looking for. All right, so let's try Mary Had. I'm gonna shake my hand out because my fingers are getting stiff. So we're gonna try Mary Had a Little Lamb, I believe. Ooh. So you're gonna see an F above Mary had a little lamb, but then you'll notice C7 under or above little lamb, and then back to F, little lamb. Stay on F for 2 measures or 8 beats. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. All right, so some advice that's given to you at the bottom of the page where it says quarter note. Every time you see one of these, strum downwards for 1 beat. When you see a quarter rest, every time you see them, stop playing, all right, for 1 beat. So acknowledge the rest, friends. Stop on the rest. And then for half notes, make this note 2 beats long for a pretty ending, like this. Well, it's not pretty right now. I like it better when I use my thumb sometimes. All right, that's funny. There we go. Okay, so let's try the whole song slowly. 1, 2, ready, play. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna put my, okay. Let's see, here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And then we're supposed to end there. I'd like you to practice this one several times before you put it away. Next week we will jump into playing 3 finger chords. So let's play Mary Had a Little Lamb one more time. Shake your fingers out, stretch them, do whatever you need to do. And let's see if we can do it together. 1, a little faster now. 1, 2, here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Let's sing it, play it softly, like a lullaby. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And with that, my friends, I will say good night. Be safe, be well. Thank you for joining me again with the ukulele. So this week, I want you to review all of the things we talked about today. And that is the information on video 5, reviewing C, and video 6, all of your 1-finger chords. Then video 7, 2-finger chords, which are F and A. And then learn your first song switching chords, which is Mary Had a Little Lamb. If you want to work ahead, please do. And go to video 9, which is the 3-finger chords. But we will hit those on the next video. And You Are My Sunshine is the first song for that. And that has C, F, and G7. So those are pretty fun too. I look forward to seeing you again, and I miss you. Good night.